Assalamualaikum. Hello guys. It's July 6, 2024, Saturday. It's Thanksgiving party at my sister-in-law's house. The hosts of the party are Mr. Aldrin and Mrs. Sherwina Bravo. This is their lovely home.
Si Mama, kilo na?
The event started 10 in the morning. Visitors are starting to arrive. Syempre, to start the event, we all gathered for the dua administered by the ustads. My sister-in-law and her family are based in Qatar, and they are here in Zamboanga City for their yearly vacation. Present ang ating family from Arena Blanco like Uncle Noor, Auntie Minang, Ma'am Purang, Ma'am Ta, Auntie Norpa, Raida, Haisi, and a lot more. Syempre, chika-chika muna while waiting for the food. Our food for today nga pala is from Barcode. And of course, andito din ang Sabdurani family, Sabdani family. Andito si Auntie Haji Paija, of course. Papa Dekoy, Mama Pinky, and of course, Mama Ving. And later that day, dumating din ang Omar family. Of course, si Uncle Haji Omboy, Auntie Haji Ravia, and mga kids. Of course, our family from Taluksangay, Panubuhi Apu, Tuan Mulok Abdurrahim, like Uncle Bas and Auntie Neneng, Auntie Ida, Uncle Ruli and Auntie Rasa, Uncle Entol, Maria, Sheva and Jong and their kids. Later that day, dumating din si Auntie Joriam, the mother of Aldrin, kasama ang kanyang kapatid na si Ryan. And also, Aldrin's sister-in-law Anne is there together with their cute kids. Dumating din ang family ni Auntie Nida and also ang friends ni Sherwina and Aldrin. Everyone is having a great time. Of course, Andy Chica and also ang kids happy din. Tingnan nyo, pinaglalaroan nila ang gamit ng caterer. These are the daughters of Sherwina and Aldrin. Aliyah is 7 years old and Zafira is 5 years old. And of course, Kuya Zamzam is 9 years old, the son of Sharauda. Thank you for watching, guys. Watch out for my next video. Bye!